In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood Extended Hours Trading. This feature allows you to trade eligible stocks and ETFs outside the regular US market session. Regular market hours run from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. However, with Robinhood Extended Hours, you can trade between 7 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. for pre-market trading and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. for after-hours trading. This is a great way to stay ahead of the game and react to important market events that occur outside of typical hours. Let's begin by opening the Robinhood app or website. Make sure you're signed into your Robinhood account. From here, you'll want to search for the stock or ETF you wish to trade. This is your first step towards making an informed investment decision. Finding the right security to trade is crucial as it sets the foundation for your trading strategy. Once you've located the stock or ETF, it's time to start a trade. Select the trade button and then choose whether you want to buy or sell. This step is important because it aligns with your investment goals, whether you are looking to acquire new assets or sell existing ones. Remember, making the right choice here can significantly impact your portfolio. Now you will need to choose a limit order. Change the order type to limit order and enter the number of shares you want to trade along with your limit price. Robinhood's trading venues do not support market orders during extended hours sessions, so limit orders are your go-to option. This step ensures that your trade will only execute at the price you set or better, providing you with control over your investment decisions. Next up, you'll need to select the trading session. When available, choose either extended hours for pre-market and after-hours trading, or the 24-hour market for eligible securities. Each session offers unique opportunities depending on the securities you're interested in. This choice allows you to tailor your trading strategy based on the time frame that fits your needs best. After that, it's crucial to review and submit your order. Verify all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and submit your order. This ensures your changes are saved and your trade is set in motion. Double-checking your order helps avoid any costly mistakes and ensures your strategy is executed as planned. It's important to note that during extended hours, not all order types are supported. Limit orders are the only ones that execute during these sessions. Market orders, stop-loss orders, and trailing stop orders do not execute during extended hours. They are typically queued for the next regular market session. Understanding these limitations can save you from unexpected issues and help you plan more effectively. Before we finish, let's discuss some risks associated with extended hours trading. While it can be useful for reacting to earnings reports, economic news, or events in foreign markets, it's not without its challenges. Extended hours trading often involves lower liquidity, wider bid-ask spreads, and higher volatility. This can result in partial or unfilled orders and prices that may differ significantly from those during regular market hours. Being aware of these risks is vital for making informed trading decisions. With all this knowledge, you're now equipped to use Robinhood's extended hours trading effectively. Stay informed, stay cautious, and make the most of the opportunities available to you. Happy trading!